Experience meets real impact. I am Dimple Somji, your host for this glamorous day, and it's my absolute honor to take you through this event of recognition and celebration. I think I'm going to stick to this side because that's where my voice is coming better. Well, DCN isn't just news anymore, it's the voice of the city. From lifestyle to stories that matter, and now with this new chapter, DCN is here to honor those who influence change, inspire millions, and bring light to digital spaces. Today is about you, the creators, the trendsetters, the dreamers who have redefined what influence means. Today, Pune's most dazzling creators have gathered here under one roof, where viral meets powerful storytelling, where fashion meets passion, and where influence meets recognition. Well, hold your breath because quotient just went higher. Our guest of honor is a Bollywood star who has made his mark with effortless talent and charisma. He's an Indian-American actor known for his roles in Bollywood movies like Isi Life Mein, Pizza, and the very recent Fighter. Please put your hands together for the dynamic Akshay Oberoi. Akshay, can we have you on stage, please? Can you hear him?
Yeah, can you hear me? Hi everyone. Thanks for having me. Pleasure to be here. Thank you, Dimple, for a wonderful introduction.
Pleasure.
Pune's a lovely place, yeah. I've spent very little time here, but I've always been fascinated by Pune. So I'm really happy to be here. Of course, the DCN Star Influencer Honors is a great place to honor people and influencers like yourselves. So thank you for having me, and I hope to catch up with all of you guys soon. All right.
We're eagerly waiting to take pictures with you, but that's for the end, so don't leave before we finish the show today. Thank you so much, Akshay. You can sit for now. Also put your hands together for the powerhouse actor Rajesh Khera. Rajesh ji, we are delighted to have you with us. He's at the bar. Can I still put you under the spotlight? Ouch.
Hi,
I
everybody.
promised him I won't, but I did it.
Hello everybody. मैं बहुत शाय इंसान हूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा, but I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. None of this magic would have been possible without the incredible supporters. A heartfelt thank you to our sponsor Mantra Properties and to our venue partner True. Can we hear it for True, guys? They've given us a stunning space to create fabulous memories today. And now I would like to call upon stage Mr. Vinay Arana, an entrepreneur, philanthropist, and educationist. He is the driving force behind DCN, shaping it with vision, purpose, and an unwavering commitment to impactful news and updates.
It's great to have all of you all here today for the first event of DCN, and it's great to have all the celebrity influencers, Mr. Akshay Oberoi, Mr. Rajesh Khera, all of you all here. Is just fabulous to have all of you all. I hope you're having a fantastic afternoon and keep doing very well. Thank you.
Mr. Vinay, I want you to spill the beans about what's happening in Bombay.
Well, we're coming up with a DCN Sobo very soon. And I
Woo!
think before the month of December, we'll be launching DCN South Bombay.
Wow.
So that is
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And of course, now I would like to invite the women who envisioned, curated, and brought today's celebration alive. Any guesses? Louder, guys. The force behind this glamorous gathering, Moshmi Zaveri, the lifestyle director of DCN Pune.
A big hug and love to all of you for being here and honoring DCN Star Influencer.
Brunch, getting awarded, celebrating the awardees. Well, then don't mind me holding these two phones because I have so much work to do and so many announcements to make. Now we're going to move to the main segment where we're going to be awarding the DCN Star Influencers. Are you ready? Okay, let's see which table can make more noise. I'm going to see which table can clap the loudest. I still feel the noise coming from my left side is way louder, guys. So you will have to match up. Okay. I am going to invite Mr. Akshay Oberoi and Mr. Rajesh Khera to join me to present the awards. Let's begin with our first awardee, Shaurya Sandhya. Founder of label Shaurya Sandhya, she's a storyteller who turns fashion and lifestyle into moments of empowerment. Shaurya inspires women through vibrant style of and everyday elegance. This evening, outfits into inspiration. Her chic yet relatable style mixes global trends with personal flair, making everyday fashion feel effortless, fun, and uniquely her own. DCM celebrates her style and her story. Let's hear a huge round of applause. I would also like someone to join you, Mr. Vinay. Mantra Properties has always been driven by this idea of creating the next, shaping the path forward and setting new benchmarks in real estate. May I invite Mr. Rishi Raj Singh, who's representing the Mantra team, to come forward and present the next set of awards. Is there someone from the Mantra team? No? Okay. So once again, here we call them on stage to join you guys as well. Okay, moving on to the next. Sorry. The power to My next awardee is Priya Muklas. While stealing hearts on Splitsvilla, Priya Rani Halda, previously known as Flower Fairy Official, is now bold, unapologetic lifestyle influencer, sharing fashion, travel, and beauty vibes. DCN celebrates her unstoppable spirit. Raising all. Check my mic. I don't want my voice coming and going. This is fine. Announcing the next award, performer, entrepreneur, and business icon. Ivy has spent 2 decades shaping India's dance and wellness culture. From choreographing for Nach Badiye to representing India globally, founding her academy, her foundation, and serving as the face of Fit India and HRX, DCN honors her extraordinary legacy of art and fitness. I can't let you go. We need to get some hook step for today. Any song that you want us to play, or any song works for you. Doom 2. Your pick on Doom 2. Doom again. Do we have that song? Or do we have to do again song? No. Wow. Imagine making a request and it's coming. You can ask for anything today. I don't mind calling on that song.
Choreography, And Hrithik Roshan sir himself commented on it. So
Wow.
it was.
Hi,
That's
I'm Trupti
huge.
Devi.
Yes.
Songs from my film Dhadak 2 are
In
out
fact,
now
Mr.
on
Akshay
Spotify.
behind has worked with
Download
Mr.
the
Hrithik
app
Roshan
free.
very, very recently.
I've seen you in that movie.
All of us have.
Doom again and run away with me on a roller coaster ride. Doom again and see your wildest
Thank
dreams.
you so much. That was brilliant. His journey inspired by living horsepower, high fashion, and the art of living life as full confidence. Let's hear it, guys. Next up, Natasha Soni. An engineer turned fashion and lifestyle influencer, she's one of the pioneering creators from Pune. With over 10 years in the industry, she's built an influence brand and booking platform to see style as a way of expressing who they are. Congratulations, Natasha. For the next set of awards, I'm going to invite one of the guests who's joined us today, Mr. Vishwa Chaurya, Director, Suhana Seven Seas International Business Division. He has been instrumental in driving the global growth of brand Suhana from India to over 65 countries. Let's hear it for him, guys. In a bit. Okay, the next awardee, one of my favorites, Paranush Irani. Quality maximalism meets clean beauty with Paranush. From style to global aspirations, she inspires individuality, bold choices, and feelings. DCN crowns her as a true fashion storyteller. Congratulations, Paranush. Guys, let's hear it for you. The team, her friends, everybody's here. Okay, next up, I know everyone's waiting for this one. JC, Jitendra Choksi, founder and CEO of Fitter. He has built one of India's biggest fitness movements. Backed by Sunil Shetty, Search Ventures and Y Combinator, Fitter today stands tall with millions of transformations worldwide. JC, we're not letting you go just yet. We need a little flex, a little push-up, something. Something. Or with that. Words won't do it. I hope you know that. Just words won't do it. If you think you can just speak and get away with it, it's not gonna happen. We're all here waiting for the flex.
What do you guys want me to do?
Mosh me? Push-ups? Or shirtless if you want to. If you ask that. That's the kind of answers you're getting. Curly hair. Thank you, Daisy. मेरा अभी तो कुछ नॉइज आवाज अब तो 8 पैक्स भी देख लिया अब और क्या चाहिए Alright, next up I'm repeating Sheena Blend. Once in hospitality, now a full-time creator. Sheena crafts authentic styles for Gen collaborating with Sephora, IKEA, L'Oreal, Dyson. She proves storytelling builds community. Congratulations, Sheena. The next one, Hundekari, a fitness and fashion enthusiast, makeup lover and foodie. What is his life, which is authentic and bold. From income to Maybelline and Lakme Fashion Week to high rocks and half marathons, she blends grit with glamour. Congratulations, Fatima. May I now invite Moshmi to join us on stage to give some next set of awards. Rajesh is trying to find an escape. The next awardee is Devadatta Kashali. He's an award-winning photographer with 28 years of experience. He has contributed to photojournalism, corporate movies, documentaries and exhibitions. Honored nationally and internationally, he leads the Incredible India project, showcasing our nation's vibrant culture. Congratulations, sir. Next up, Sandeep Dharma. With 22 years of excellence, Sandeep has choreographed iconic runways across India and the world. A true fashion maker, it's his role in defining today's global style. Can we have those whistles again, whoever was doing that? Thank you. Our next awardee, Pranjal Saneja. With a fashion background and a flair for styling, Pune's beloved Pranjal has charmed audiences collaborating with 200 plus brands and leaving her mark on fashion, lifestyle and travel. Awardees are Zubair and Nazneen, the power couple behind Travel the World with Wisely. Zubair and Nazneen have explored 25 plus countries and built ventures in Pune. Their stories of food, culture, connection. Sophie Dillon. From lawyer to lifestyle content creator, Sophie leads a path with passion. As the founder of Events by Style Sushi, she creates unforgettable experiences where fashion, creativity and influence collide. Congratulations, Sophie. Our next awardee, Anuja Mulapkar. Did I get that right? Is Anuja here? Okay, we'll move on. Let's call upon Ravina Sachdev. Travel and lifestyle blogger for 9 years, Ravina collaborates with top tourism boards, resorts. DCN honors her inspiring wanderlust and meaningful lifestyle influence. For giving out the next set of awards, can I call our venue partner tonight, True, and I would like to call Sahej Narang and Naisha Narang to present the next set of awards. Sahej and Naisha. Okay, till they come on stage, I'm moving to the next award. Pratiksha Singh. From corporate life to fashion beauties, she has embraced her passion for styling. Inspiring petite girls to own their individuality, she celebrates this confidence and luxury fashion storytelling. Our next awardee today, Purva Rakhyani. Grace, glamour and grit. Purva began modeling at just 17 and today has risen as a force. She's a blogger, creator, MC and a data analyst. DCN applauds her inspiring balance of intellect and influence. Yes, the Narangs are here. Thank you for this wonderful venue, by the way. My next awardee, Sonia Agarwal Contetti, Visionary Founder Pune Ladies, a 3 lakh strong network. Sonia empowers 17,000 women and a global awardee. DCN salutes her leadership and legacy. Chika Khanna. Smashing stereotypes in the automotive world, Chika redefines power through a bold female lens. From luxe interiors to cutting-edge cars, she proves passion is limitless. DCN salutes her unstoppable drive. Our next awardee, Vaishnavi Prakash Rao, influencer by choice. Vaishnavi has been a household name since the age of 8. With India's longest running TV show, Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai in her 15, and 2.9 million followers on Instagram, she's the face for many fashion and skincare brands. Congratulations, Vaishnavi. The next awardee is Dr. Akshaya Jain. With 12 plus years of expertise and triple masters in cosmetology, Dr. Akshaya pioneers today's with scintillating CIETN and MyShatak. DCN honors her for innovation, excellence and empowering doctors in aesthetic medicine. Our next awardees, Dev and Pooja. Dev and Pooja are a dynamic couple who balance thriving software engineering careers with their passion for content creation through Vibe with Dev and Pooja. They craft inspiring travel, lifestyle, and food stories and blend it with ambition, creativity, and community. Congratulations, guys. The next awardee, Nisha Ahuja. From passion to profession, Nisha transformed her love for fashion and beauty into a thriving career. She empowers women with style, confidence, and creativity. And tonight, DCN honors her inspiring path. The next awardee is Sejal Agarwal. Sejal, are you with us? Award-winning international stylist and bridal makeup artist. Sejal has styled 10,000 plus clients worldwide. A co-founder of the Style Planner, she pioneered India's first personal styling studio. DCN celebrates her global fashion leadership. Next up, Niyamat Nadir. Blending real estate legacy with creative storytelling, Niyamat turns properties into experiences. With roots in modeling and acting, DCN applauds her innovative content and inspiring spirit. Let's hear it for her. Okay, again, should I do which table makes the loudest sound? Do you need a competition to clap? Our next awardee is Tanisha Pal. Okay then. Brains, beauty, and bold strategy define her. Chief Strategy Officer at 24, crowned Miss Pune 2019, and a model shaping influence with elegance. DCN honors her rare brilliance. Our next awardee is Sheena Thadani. Creativity, style, and influence. Sheena shines with 8 years of storytelling. She shines as Pune's top 50 inspiring women and influencer pageant runner-up. We honor her inspiring dual journey. All right, if all of you think that you are looking fabulous today, give me a huge shout out. That's it? That's all? That's all fabulous we are? Or if you think maybe perhaps one of your reels got 1,000 views in this week, let's hear a big round of applause for that. Yeah. 1,000 views on any of your reels this week. All right, next up, Amit Jadhav. Author, global speaker, coach, tech innovator, and actor, Amit Jadhav is the definition of versatility. From AI breakthroughs to cinematic ventures, DCN honors his journey of intellect, creativity, and global impact. Our next awardee, Mr. Atish Kharade. Is he here? Yes. Police Havaldar Atish Chandrakant Kharade of Pune Traffic Branch transforms road safety into creativity through songs, reels. Oh, I was really waiting to meet him. Yeah, he's a cop who's making reels for awareness. Wow. All right, and next up is Pallavi Goenka. Pallavi, crowned Mrs. India International 2024, is a luxury real estate, fashion, and lifestyle influencer, model, and entrepreneur. She's also the founder of Dazzle Wiz, and today we celebrate her leadership. The award and Maharashtra Gaurav Award. He's redefining awareness with innovation, and today we thank him for his impactful service. Thank you to our sponsor Mantra Properties, our venue partner True, the DCN team, our special guests, and of course, each one of you, the stars of the digital era. And now, over to you, Moshmi, a vote of thanks for our audience.
I hope you guys are having a blast. I know it was a little lengthy thing, but where is your drink? One drink up right now. Congratulations, and I'm so proud of you all. And I love you all. Thank you, everyone, to come witness this. And stay tuned for many, many more events coming by DCN. Thank you.
Okay, so Moshmi wants all the winners and our guests of honors to join us on stage for a massive group picture. Ladies, behave yourselves. Don't push each other off the stage. So some of you, I think all of you come on the stage, and maybe the team can line up down. Hi girls. Hello, hi. Hello. Okay, first of all, we're going to give a shout out to DCN. So we're going to say hi DCN, all right? Hi DCN. Hello DCN. Okay, give me one word for DCN today. Good morning. Like I get up in the morning and I'm like, first thing you're like, what's happening with the news? as DCN featured meeting. So it's good morning, DCN.
For me, it's all about like Pune news. So I say Pune news.
Pune News. So TCN is Pune News. Okay, one word for how you're feeling today. Fabulous.
Excited.
My 2025 trend pick is. I think, can I say this in a whole sentence? I think as the years are passing, it's all about being yourself. I mean, if you are an OTT person, go OTT. If you're someone who loves comfort and casual, stick to that. So I think as years are passing, people are becoming more okay and deal with it. Like if someone wants to be however, embrace it. I love that because that's like being comfortable in your skin and embracing who you are, which is exactly what we have to promote. What about you?
For me, it's about mixing metals. For whoever who said like you can't mix silver with gold, no. Just do it and be confident. It doesn't matter because I'm doing it today.
And you're looking gorgeous. Thank you for this lovely advice. And how about we wish everyone a happy Diwali from DCN. Wishing everyone a lot of love and light from DCN. We love you.
Get your Diwali outfits ready, girls.
That's straight from an influencer. Thank you, girls. Thank you so much. I would invite all the other singing at this award. That's brilliant. You have family here. One word for how you are feeling today.
I'm feeling nostalgic because I grew up in Pune. So it feels like a full circle moment.
Fabulous. One word for DCN.
Up to date.
Up to date. I think that's brilliant because they really are. Okay, your social media inspiration is?
I think it has to be Emma Chamberlain. Yeah, love her.
All right, and since Diwali is around the corner, would you like to wish everyone happy Diwali from DCN?
Of course, happy Diwali from DCN, and I'm so excited to see everyone's festive outfits.
Thank you so much. Who's coming in next? Sophie?
ऑडिओ लावून उपयोगच नाही त्याच्याकडे जॅक नाहीये
Sophie, one word for today.
Excited.
One word for DCN.
Pune news.
My 2025 trend pick is?
A lot of soft girl era mixed with a lot of bling. So two personalities but in one.
I love that. Influence in one word is?
It should be a reflection of what you are more than an influence. And if you can carry that well, I think other people will get influenced by that. So confidence and just being yourself will influence other people.
That's great. All right, then your social media inspo is?
I love fashion and styling. So every day when I get up, my only focus is that, oh, what should be a new look for myself. Like that inspires me myself, and then obviously it goes on the page, and then other people get inspired if they do. But for me, it's mostly for myself. It keeps me going.
I bet it influences others because I keep watching out for that and taking inspiration on how to dress up. So that's fabulous. Also, how about you wish everyone happy Diwali from GCL?
Happy Diwali, everybody, and also a prosperous New Year. I know it's far off, but this year has been so fast. So yeah, I hope everyone enjoys their festivities, and happy Diwali from DCN and me. Thank you.
Thank you, Sophie. Who's coming next? Yeah. Why don't you first introduce yourselves?
Anyways, so we are basically Dev Puja. He's Dev and I Puja. So that's why we call the beach called the Vibe with Dev Puja.
Do you want to tell us, first of all, we'll start with the Happy Diwali from GCN and then I'll go on to the other question.
Happy Diwali, DCN and all the audience.
Happy Diwali, DCN.
Now I'm going to ask you, what is the one word that describes today for you?
Today's okay. So feeling excited.
Same likewise. So much excited.
One word for DCN.
So daily, 2 news. Not very
inspiration?
Oh yeah, playlist.
The wife is telling you everything. Okay, so can we just reverse it? Like you tell me her social media inspiration.
Sarah Saroj.
And now you tell me his.
The flying best.
Fantastic. Would you like to give us a sentence for creators for the day? Because everybody here is a creator. So give me any sentence that is close to your heart for creators.
Being like raw, I guess it's got the key word is for creators. Creating something which influences society. I mean, at least we create a lot of it, which everyone get influenced of. As we're engineers, so getting ready every day is our day-to-day job, and our job showing us to everyone is what we believe that everyone should get influenced from us. That's what we believe.
Mostly we are engineers, software engineer, and mostly often we call as boring engineers. So we are not boring, and we have proved that engineers can't be boring. Yeah, so we are also like exciting, and mostly she's a creative and I am the backend logic. You can say in the yes, kind of yeah. So together we create content. Okay, and this award proves that engineer can be exciting. Yeah, can be exciting.
So here's to engineers who can be creators. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Hi. Okay. First of all, let's give a shout out to DCN. Maybe with hi, hello DCN. Hi DCN. I am so elevated to be here and thank you for having me. Okay, one word that describes DCN for you. Every morning, Pune news. It's 5 words, but I'll let it go. Okay, one word for how you are feeling today. Excited. One word for people who see your page. What is the first word that should come to their mind? I think I should buy the property. That brings me to the next exciting question. How did you think of creating content in this field?
So I was modeling and acting before, and my father has a real estate company since the past 30 years. So I got into real estate and I forgot about the modeling aspect of it, where my mother just suddenly reminded me that I'm very, very camera friendly and I should incorporate both together. So that's how Selling Pune came into existence.
And now real estate is no more a boring field. Thank you for your content creation. And also, how about you wish DCN a happy Diwali? You wish DCN happy Diwali.
I wish the DCN and the DCN family a very, very happy Diwali. Hope you all get a lot more views and more events like these. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, first a shout out for DCN. Hi DCN. One word about how you're feeling today.
Excited.
Okay, I think excited is the word of the day. One word for what DCN means to you.
The It News.
The It News. Influence in one word is.
Expressing yourself and hoping others get inspired.
Fantastic. What's your 2025 trend pick?
More structured garments, and obviously it's my trend, so it's a bit more structured and more solids and color.
Lovely. And you are wearing swords today and looking absolutely smashing. All right. And one word for today's event.
Happening.
Great. And now, of course, let's wish DCN a happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you so much. पहले तो आपके बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए.
बस एक छोटा सा फोटोग्राफर हूँ, DCN से मैं रहता हूँ और पिछले 30 साल से फोटोग्राफी में हूँ, 30 years होने जा रहे हैं इस बार.
And I know that you won awards. The छोटा सा photographer doesn't go well with your personality. Tell us something about that.
बस फोटोग्राफी में ऑलमोस्ट सारे जॉनर्स में काम करता हूँ और सबसे चाहिदा जो जॉनर है वो ट्रैवल फोटोग्राफी है, फाइन आर्ट फोटोग्राफी है, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फोटोग्राफी है. I have my own photography training school, Devdatta Photography School, फोटो जर्नलिज्म में 20-22 साल काम कर चुका हूँ और कैम्ब्रिज इंस्टीट्यूट का जो गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है कैम्ब्रिज म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन उनके लिए एज अ PR वहाँ पे 20 साल काम किया मैंने। हाँ, और उसके बाद मैंने रिज़ाइन कर दिया गवर्नमेंट का जॉब। व्हेन आई वाज क्लास 1 आई रिज़ाइन द जॉब एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड माय ओन बिजनेस। तो अभी बस फोटोग्राफी में ही पूरा जी रहा हूँ, बस ऑल ओवर इंडिया काम कर रहा हूँ। महाराष्ट्र टूरिज्म डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन का ऑफिशियल डेवलपर हूँ, एज वेल एज इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का जो प्रोजेक्ट है उसके लिए 26 स्टेट्स के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ फिलहाल।
It's an honor to have you with us, sir. How do you feel about this event?
बहुत बढ़िया लगा और मेरे लिए ये माहौल बहुत खुशनुमा है और उसमें बारिश भी आ रही है तो इससे और अच्छा क्या चाहिए। एंड थैंक यू DCN, क्योंकि DCN के सारे लोगों के साथ मिलने का मौका मिल गया। एक DCN के बारे में कहना चाहूँगा कि पुणे के चिबिश पे उभरता हुआ एक सितारा है, तो बहुत सारे होप्स है और डेफिनेटली DCN बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे लेके जाएगा इन सारी जर्नलिज्म के काम को। So hoping this will.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure having you with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.